Wars aren't just headlines, they're heartbreaks. Today, let's talk about Russia and Ukraine, India and Pakistan. Battles between nations that were once united. Same soil, same blood, still fighting. Did you know Russia and Ukraine share deep cultural, historical and even familial roots? India and Pakistan were one before 1947. Same land, shared language, shared pain. Russia-Ukraine started in 2022, thousands dead, millions displaced, the world caught in the crossfire of power. India-Pakistan, 3 major wars, ongoing tensions, borders guarded day and night, but visit either side. The food, faces, festivals feel the same, and it's like Mahabharat, a fight between brothers. Everyone loses, no one wins. What are the real reasons behind these wars? Money, power, land, pride, or as our elders used to say, Jorroo, Jameen, wealth, women, land. Every fight, whether between nations or neighbors, boils down to these 3. Let me ask you, have you ever lost a friend or family member over ego or property? Type A for yes, B for no. Do you think these wars ever truly solve anything? A for yes, B for no. We all came from the same source. We all go to the same place when we die. The only real home is not a nation or a border, it's the heart. So why are we fighting? Make peace, spread peace, start at home.